So this is my review on Bogota and Salvio. So first we have this really nice wooden door. I hope it's real. Then we have this really nice soap that has a container at the bottom just in case if you spill it. And you have your whole entire coffee machine and whatever you need here. Here you have here you have like nice, well-seated cups and dishes. Then you have a working dishwasher with a oven and an electric stove. And then here we have food to actually eat, which is like beers, alcohol, liquor, water, and here are just some sweets with pots. Next we have this TV, a really big TV with a really nice table. And then we have a really nice living room with blue chairs, which makes the whole entire scenery look good. And of course, a lamp. Next, this is just where you kind of chill, or I guess you could call it the dining table. And then we have this really big, gorgeous scenery with a balcony. It's clean, it's swept, and this thing is really clean. Then you have plants, and then you also have big mountains in the background, and you can also see dogs in the park.
Yeah, it's like a dog show in Parque 93. And this is in Chico Reservado, or Chico Reserve.
Then you have this wooden piece, which is I like it a lot. Then you have a towel rack, which is down here, which is easy to grab for. And this is a really cool modern sink, which I love. And then you have these really swing shampoo bottles. And it also comes with a hair dryer, which is very nice. Then you have shampoo over there. This thing is proof and it doesn't, it's so clean and clear. And I almost knocked into this. And that's it for the bathroom with towels over there. This is where you put your luggage, I guess, when you're like coming back. You have this really cool pillar, which is like made out of like stone. We have a row with an iron in here, with drawers that you can see through, so you can get what you need to get.
You got your little safe too, and then if you have laundry, just throw it in the laundry bin. They come up and you itemize it. They'll charge the card based on what you put in the bag. And then pretty big closet.
Next we have another balcony. There's two balconies in this place. Here you can get some shade from the sun.
Yeah, because it does get super sunny and you will get sunburn here.
Really cool leaves.
Very cool plants.
Next you can see a really sweet McDonald's.
Oh yeah. This McDonald's is so cool because even though we never eat at McDonald's, the coffee's good at McCafe, at least in other countries. I'm sure here too. But you get a rooftop at McDonald's.
View, but you just have this side on the right.
Yeah, and we stayed somewhere over here, down the block, at Airbnb. But we didn't know about I didn't know about this place until I already booked the other place. So this is, I think, I don't know if it's the presidential or deluxe or whatever, but it was like the biggest one they had. So I thought it was pretty cool. You get a lot of nice space, and it's always good to have natural light.
Piece of bedding, which seems like a really fuzzy blanket, and you have 6 pillows with a really cool timer that's like bright and big, so you can see.
Yeah, nice lamps too.
And also you have, I don't know what this is actually, but
Oh, it's for putting magazines and.
So they put like
Books.
books here, and you just like have a coffee table, and you got another TV. And if you
All
have-
windows all around, so it gets really nice and bright in here.
You have
So.
a really like easy switch to use to put on light.
Yeah, good for working remote here. And you got the little door that sections off the rest of the room, so you could kind of have more privacy when you start throwing parties and whatever. And the internet's pretty fast, although the last place we stayed was actually a little bit faster. But I'd say this is about maybe 100 with the balconies, maybe about 120 meters square, and that's it. The rest of the hotel's got a really great rooftop. That's what it's known for, the rooftop bar and restaurant area. I think it's, God, I can't remember, Velvet or something it's called. But the hotel itself, the interior decoration is really nice, and it's nice to get away from the traditional, chains that we're so accustomed to seeing. So it's nice to try some of the other offerings. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks, Mila, for the nickel tour. Say ciao. Ciao.